Okay, so we got this question to integrate. So we have to integrate sec power 2 by 3 x into cosec power 4 by 3 x dx. Now, you know that you have to integrate your trigonometric function. So in general, we used to rely on tan. Okay, we used to convert trigonometric function into tan, and then we used to take tan as z, and then we will create we wish to get differentiation as sec. So we have sec, we have to convert cosec into tan. So how we will manipulate, look at here. So first thing is, we will try to write down this cosec into sine, so that it will become much more convenient to convert it into tan. So sine power 4 by 3 x. Now to convert this thing into tan, we have to multiply and divide by cos to the power 4 by 3x, cos to the power 4 by 3x, and then dx. So this thing will become 10x, correct? Now, and we got 10x, and now remaining thing I can convert it into sec. So what I will do, first I will send this cos to the numerator. Okay, so it will become sec. So sec power 2 by 3 plus 4 by 3 x, and then dx by 10 power 4 by 3. I hope till this part you guys are super okay. Now, so we will have sec base is same, 6 by 3 2. So we got sec square x. Now we have dx by 10 power 4 by 3x. Now we have to take z as 10x, you know. Let's do the differentiation. So we got dz by dx equals sec square x. Let's manipulate the question, convert it into z. So sec square x dx will become dz, and 10 will be converted into z. So z power 4 by 3 in the denominator will be taken to the numerator, minus of 4 by 3. I hope till this part you guys are okay. Now, you know that if you'll assume anything as z, your limit gets manipulated. Okay. So suppose that the lower limit is pi by 6, means 30 degree. So tan 30 is 1 by root 3. Then upper limit is 60 degree. So we got root 3. Okay. Now let's do the integration. So integration of z power minus of 4 by 3 is what? Z power minus of 4 by 3 plus 1 upon minus of 4 by 3 plus 1 with integration done. No need to write integration constant. Root 3 root 3. Now let's write down this thing as, so it will become z power minus of 1 by 3 है ना. So z power minus of 1 by 3 minus of 1 by 3. Okay, so can I write 3 outside, minus 3 outside, and we will be having 1 by z power 1 by 3. Till this part I feel you guys are okay. We have root 3 as the upper limit, 1 by root 3 as the lower limit. Let's manipulate things to get the final result. So suppose that we got minus 3. Now place upper limit. So can I write the, it is 3 power 1 by 2 power 1 by 3. So power to the power multiply, so it will become 1 by 6 minus lower limit. So lower limit is what? 1 by, now look at this. This thing is interesting. Okay, so it is z is what? 1 by root 3 power 1 by 3, है ना? So can I write this thing as, you may make mistake over here, okay? So that's why I'm writing everything down. So it will become what? Like 1 by root 3 will go to the numerator. So can I write root 3 to the power 1 by 3, है ना? So it will become 1 by 3 power 6, है ना? Minus 3, and I can write down this thing in the numerator. So 3 power minus of 1 by 6 minus 3 power 1 by 6. I will send this minus inside. So we will be having 3 times 3 power 1 by 6 minus 3 times minus of 1 by 6, 3 power minus of 1 by 6. So we got the required result as this thing. I hope you got the idea, you got the approach, and you guys can handle similar situations. Okay.